Mission Control is about a company called Monolith who are setting up a chance to go to a new planet called Anomaly 1 that has just appeared in the sky, and there are a selected few that get to go to this new planet, and it's how that selection process takes place.
I think it's really timely, this production, because it keys into the responsibility we have to other people, the responsibility we have to the planet. So I feel like we're looking after what we're dealing with.
So it's at the Principality Stadium. It's massive, but fits really well in this world. It's a really cool place to have an adventure in. I really feel like this is quite an exciting show to see because as an audience member, it's really immersive. You get thrown into a world that you are very much part of. I will get to work with one of the hijinks actors, Fion.
It's going really well. I am so happy to be here, really. I'm just happy just acting with them. They are really good actors.
And the best bit is to link the stories up with different kind of characters.
Audiences will be really entertained and having a unique experience, but they will also think about their connections to other people and about how important genuine, real human connections are, because I think we're living in a world where they can get lost. Can't wait to welcome you all to the Principality Stadium for this really unusual production. Bring an open mind.
Please join us on our Mission Control to this wonderful new world. Everyone is welcome, but not everyone gets to go.
I am very excited.